How to use MT5 on Android. So first thing first, let's open the Play Store, and now you can see there is search icon at the bottom right corners. Just tap on search icon and search for MetaTrader 5. So once you search it, you can see there is an icon of MetaTrader 5 shown in the screen, and it is developed by MetaCode Software Corporation. And at the right side there is install option. Just tap on it, and once your installation is completed, the device verify the app first. So let's wait for now. And once your verification is complete, simply tap on open shown in the screen, and yeah, you will be able to access it. So basically this is how, and this is the process to use MT5 on Android. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.